Hi folks, Derek here from Christmas Dreams, playing with a sound activated bar graph. Whoopee-doo! Isn't that fun? And wouldn't that make a nice light display on your carnival next to the strong man banging the hammer kind of feature? And this marvelous technology works off a single USB plug over here. As you can see, it's got all the stuff built in, and it comes in all kinds of different colors if you'd like. It's very bright, very sensitive. Now wouldn't that make a nice feature on your carnival? Yeah, it's hard spending $2 when Lemax would probably rip you off $50 and the line would end up at the end of the block for the same thing. Well, I guess I'll just keep playing with this for $2. Actually, I think I've got about 4 different colors. Cheaper than posting a letter. Well, Derek, over and out. Off to play with some more technology.